In this video, we are going to learn about fractional expression. Fractional expression is a quotient of two algebraic expressions, and a rational expression is a quotient p over q of two polynomials p and q. Let's try some examples. For example, we have x squared minus 6x plus 9 over x squared minus 1 times 2x minus 1 over x minus 3. First thing we will do is we're going to find the factor of x squared minus 6x plus 9. Therefore, we can factor out that one as x squared or x minus 3 times x minus 3 over x squared minus 1 is also equal to x squared. This one is also equal to x squared minus 1 squared, which gives us the equation a squared minus b squared equal to a minus b times a plus b. So therefore, we can have this equation now into x minus 1 and x plus 1 times 2x minus 1 over x minus 3. When we are going to simplify this equation, we can have now as x minus 3, x minus 3. So here we don't have any expression. So therefore, your answer now will become x minus 3 times 2x minus 1 over x. You can write back to x squared minus we have 1. Okay, so this one will be your final equation. Next problem. Let's say we have six over x, over x times 3x minus 2 plus 5 over 3x minus 2 minus 2 over x squared. Remember that if we are going to add or subtract any fractions, any fractional expression, we're going to find the LCD. So therefore here, the common LCD is equal to x squared, and the common, we have x squared, and 3, we have x minus 2. So therefore, you're going to multiply this function, or you're going to divide this function into the equation, or we're going to multiply this one so that we can have the same denominator. So here you multiply that one here, so therefore you will have now as 6x over x squared times 3x minus 2 plus we have 5x squared over x squared times 3x minus 2, and then minus 2 times 3x minus 2 all over by x squared times 3x minus 2. Therefore, from here, from this equation, we can sum up, and then we can also solve for subtraction. Okay, so therefore we can have now, we can combine these two expressions. which is equals now to 6x plus 5x squared minus 2 times, we have 3x is equals to 6x, and then negative times negative becomes positive, so that is plus 4 all over by x squared times 3x minus, we have minus 2. Okay, after that, simplify the equation. So therefore, you will have now as 5x squared plus 4 over x squared times 3x minus 2. Okay, next example. For example, we have 2x plus 5 over x squared plus 6x plus 9 plus x over x squared minus 9 plus 1 over x minus 3. What is the common denominator? We can have now as x plus 5 over. This one can simply factor out as x plus 3 over times x plus 3 plus x over x plus 3 and x minus 3. Okay, we just make it in the center. And then plus 1 over x minus 3. So the common denominator now is x plus 3 x plus 3 squared and x minus 3. Okay, because we have two values of x plus 3 here, so therefore we can have now as x plus 3 squared, because we have 2 x plus 3 in this term. So therefore we can make now as x, your common denominator now LCD is equal to x plus 3, okay, squared x plus 3 squared and x minus 3. So in this expression, we don't have x minus 3, so therefore 2x plus 5 times x minus 3 all over by x plus 3 squared times x minus 3 plus, in this equation, we don't have one value of x plus 3, so therefore x plus 3 times the value of x all over by x squared, okay, x squared or x plus 3 squared times x minus 3. Next, plus 1, okay, because here we don't have x plus 3, so therefore we will have now x plus 3 squared all over by x plus 3 squared and then times x minus 3. To simplify the expression, we can have now, okay, so we just erase this part here so that we can continue on this side. So here we can have now as 2x squared, this one, okay, use FOIL method on this one, FOIL, so therefore we have now 2x squared minus x minus 15, okay, 2x times x, 2x times this one, okay, and then simplify it to the simplest form, it will give you 2x squared minus x minus 15 plus x times x, you will have x squared plus 3x, and then plus complete square. So therefore, we have x squared plus 6x plus 9. Okay? All over by x plus 3 squared times x minus 3. Next, simplify the expression. So therefore, we have 2x squared plus x squared. So therefore, we have 4x squared. Negative x plus 3x, that is 2x, plus 6x, so we will have now plus 8x. And then negative 15 plus 9, so therefore we will have now as 6, right? So therefore we will have minus 6 all over by x plus 3 squared over x minus 3. Next one, factor out in the simplest form. So therefore, we can have now as 2 times 2x squared plus 4x minus 3 all over by x plus 3 squared and then x minus 3. Okay, so but we will just consider these two, we have solution. Always double check your answer when you're going to solve for this equation, especially if there will be a longer solutions. So please double check your answer every time. Okay, for the last example, we have 9x squared minus 4 over 3x squared minus 5x plus 2 times 9x to the power of 4 minus 6x cubed plus 4x squared all over by 27x to the power of 4 plus 8x. Okay, so first thing you will do is you have to simplify this one. So therefore, that will give you the same as, this one will give you the same as 3x squared minus 2 squared. So therefore, we can have now as 3x plus 2 times 3x minus 2 all over by, factor this one out, 3x minus 1 times x minus 2. Next, times factor out x squared times 9x squared minus 6x plus 4 all over by cube. Okay, so 9, so you factor out x first, the remaining is equals to 27x cubed plus 8. Okay, so therefore this one still the same as 3x cubed plus 2 cubed, which gives us, okay, so this one now will give us 3x, okay, 3x plus 2 times this equation, 9x squared minus 6x plus 4. So from here, we can simplify the equation as, cancel this one out, 1, this one is 1, this 1 as well, 3x, okay, so here, cancel out, this one is x, oh no, this one is, okay, so we'll just check this one first. Here, we can have as 3x minus 2 and x minus 1, okay, so double check your answer every time. Then after that, we can have now this one as cancel out, and then the remaining answer will be equal to, this one is x over x minus 1, okay, so this is our final answer. So once again, double check your answers, okay. That's all for this lesson. Thank you so much and have a great day.